Rev Sister Eunice is in Obia now, but of course she decided to please Ebuka Obi, and they traveled all the way to her. We Jebute mass boss, we by the rival Ebuka Obi, and the Rev Sister Eunice. You know, she has been curious all the way hand on us. Okay, how many the name that mass boss ndi fatana. It belongs to Reverend Fathers alone. She has been curious how many the name. So by the time they arrived, so she made it known that not only Makoni the name. You understand? According to her, Ebuka Obi shunned her like onto who you be. Ebuka Obi went ahead to hug them. Obioye nke mboma, obioye nke mboma. According to Sister Eunice, Obi say oma mbibu. Nke na Sister Eunice na yozi say bibu na mama. After Obi the oma, Ebuka Obi left her to go and pray. And Rev Sister Eunice got home and became sick and got paralyzed. And that is why Rev Sister Eunice was pointing Ebuka Obi. Ebuka Obi will ifo be an oma. This video is a very delicate issue. It's about Reverend Father Mbaka and Ebuka Obi. But be least assured, it is the truth. Remember, I've always stand for the truth in this platform. There is a time that we are dragging Oyedepo, that he is firing all the people here near Bidoroka, that he sacked David Abioye. And I went and investigated David Abioye and came and told us the truth. That David Abioye left on his own. That he heard Oyedepo by the agreement and left. Only me out of the whole people. So I come again with the truth about Reverend Father Ejike Mbaka and Ebuka Obi. It's very complicated, very delicate. Reverend Sister Eunice believes that Ebuka Obi by her. Reverend Sister Eunice believe that Ebuka Obi, that she doesn't know what Ebuka Obi did to her. Reverend Sister Eunice saw her death while she was alive, and she opened her mouth to her in confession. But where she couldn't obey, okay, listen, look at what happened. Reverend Sister Eunice is a devote of Father Mbaka. Those you don't know adoration until you know Reverend Sister Eunice. She's that active. She's in obu adoration on Bakanisi. She's that kind of devote. Very radical. As a matter of fact, one year why no na chombulu nkafo, one day Unice, one Reverend Sister Eunice no na chombulu nkafo. Obolu 1 year we jemite Father Mbaka say abiko. Father Mbaka beru 1 year, beseru 1 year, bere ahode ya. 1 year turi me nwa. But along the line, I'm not call because of the noise. I don't know what happened. Unfortunately, Sister Unice is not here for me to poke her mouth, because if I caught her a few months ago, I could have poked her mouth very well to understand. Because Nanjali emegondi ba yaro. Any baladaram emegondi ba yaro. Otuto tabo. I remember that church we were attending that year. Very popular church. Ndi ni na-eje ba ha na-eme ka ndị ara. Ha na-akwa uniform. Anyị na-ebe ahụ na-ekpebere agwa na akwa black ha dị n'ọta ha ka eji kpoo ndị nọ na this church. Before we departed, did we make it? No. Do you understand? Njehari egbugo ndị be anyị. Njehari egbugo ndị be anyị. Along the line, Reverend Sister Eunice left adoration under Father Mbaka. You left such option and fall back to Ebuka Obi. And she became active. Of course, rumors has it that she badmouthed Father Mbaka. She said all sorts of things, you understand, in order to prove her devotion to the newfound church or newfound Christ. I don't know the difference between the Jesus Christ of adoration and Jesus. You understand? When you walk around as if there are thousands of Jesus Christ. Miracle seekers will always end in the grave. Hello? God is able to answer you wherever you are. You don't need to go from pillar to post. Ebuka Obi, that you are jumping to his church, you know that this man is working with imparted anointing. He's working with Angel Father Mbaka. Father Mbaka body, I see Ebuka obi ato na egwu. Do more ya do yeah. I gave Ebuka a part of him. Father Mbaka poured his. Go and ask Elijah. Elijah, you blew where which here Elisha, and Elisha manifested. It has been the pattern. Father Mbaka has poured his spirit on this man for this man to become. And he's not the only one. I made video that nange cool top 10 Pentecostal churches in a Reverend Father Mbaka pota. And they suddenly now in the Pentecostal church kahana ababulu. They think I wanna call their name. No, they are not. Now in the Pentecostal church habezena about Father Mbaka ozala. This is that. Mom working there, mom wide there. I was not gonna mention your name unless you're stupid. Unless you start becoming stupid. That is me for you. Rev sis Eunice, J under Ebuka obi pledged allegiance and started becoming very active. Very, very active. Oh, somebody born or a malon again. And Ebuka obi called them to come and go and bring mass boss. Mass boss is only for the priest. Ebuka obi is not a reverend father. He has not become. You understand? Jeje ko jebute mass boss no re. Habia hade to habia unu bia kunu jebute mass boss no re. I mean, you don't even need to travel to Ore to go and acquire mass boss. You can buy it from any Catholic outlet. What is so special about this particular mass boss Rev sis Eunice was talking about? What is so special about it? Why travel for it? Rev sis Eunice is no bias now, but of course she decided to. Happy to please Ebuka obi, and they traveled all the way to Ore. We jebute mass boss, we by the river Ebuka obi, and the Rev sis Eunice, you know, she has been curious all the way hand on us. Kahamali fed the name that mass boss undi fatana. It belongs to Reverend fathers alone. She has been curious to come fed the name. So by the time they arrived, so she made it known that not only Makoni Fedunimia. You understand? According to her, Ebuka obi shunned her. Like, onto who you be. Who you be for the fame. Do you understand that kind of thing? Onto not the care, Imago Yusherugana. Onto not the care, Amazogoluga. For whatever reason, whatever Ebuka obi replied, Sister Unice, this is what it implied. You understand? And then Ebuka obi went ahead to hug them. Obioye nke mboma, obioye nke buoma. According to Sister Eunice, obi pagide say oma mbibu. Nke bu na Sister Eunice na yozi say biwo na mama. After obi si oma, Ebuka obi left her to go and pray. And Rev sis Eunice got home and became sick and got paralyzed. Paralyzed! No prior warning, no prior sickness, no medical history, paralyzed. And that is why Rev sis Eunice was pointing Ebuka obi. Ebuka obi will ifo be normal. This were her own words in an ancestral hospital. Ebuli land there an ancestral hospital Enugu. And then from an ancestral she cried out, Zion, I am dying. Zion, help me. Whatever. Maybe I should not have made that kind of statement. You remember Father Mbaka will not abandon you like that. So when Zion did not turn up for her, she switched to adoration. They were no barrier na adoration. Kobalo ha kosime, kobalo ha kuko wa. See, because you already Father Mbaka beri. Ndo barrier na adoration. We see buria from that mass, see buria from that ancestral hospital. Buti and adoration. We say na Father Mbaka boyo bi ebere. Na Father Mbaka man fogi no onodo. We happy ibeluge ebere or imeluge ifo kwesiri imeluge. Hey, prodigal son stray that came back. Father Mbaka is not embarrassed by your stray. He's not embarrassed by your betrayal. He's the burden bearer. Is that I say buria biaba adoration. Rev sis Eunice we see ifere na eme. Ifere na eme Rev sis Eunice. And guess what? After deciding that Nifa and the next day, Rev sis Eunice died. And she was buried like nothing. She was buried like nothing. Amalom Father Mbaka, I'm about this. Her almighty Rev sis Eunice is have passed the beyond. Rev Sister Eunice have passed to the beyond. Just like this. Yes, in the time of Unice, she was speaking greatly against Ebuka obi, confessing seriously, normally for normal. I don't believe that the hog killed her. I believe that wandering killed her. If you want to go, you want to go to my descendants, to my offspring. And be careful who you badmouth. Listen, I left Unice and I left Dominion City. Have you seen me speaking against these churches? Jiruchegi, because this is the short story of Rev Sister Eunice. That even 50 kobo, Unice is even at the point of death. Even 50 kobo from Ebuka obi, she did not receive. And then from adoration ministry in Kebakotarazu, oh yeah, come and apologize and obtain your inheritance. No way. And that is how she died. And they buried in the most inhuman way. She was buried, not buried in an honorable way.